Hi, this is Vizzy Proctor channel. In today's video, I will show you how to force quit apps on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you force quit an app, your Mac shut is down immediately. On the other hand, if you quit an app, you can save any unsaved change first. Force quit is preferable over quilting an application normally if it's unresponsive. So, remember when you tried to create an app and all you saw was an icon dancing in the dock or a spinning wheel? Is when first quit comes into play. Given that it does not let you save changes, use it only if you really need to deal with the misbehaving apps. So how to do it if you want to force quit app on your MacBook? It's very simple. So you can all go to your select on your Apple icon on your menu bar, and you'll find there is an option force quit. Force quit, select on that. And in here, you can select on the app that you want to force quit. I have three open it apps: Discord, Spotify, and Finder. And I want to force quit Discord. You can select on Discord. Now, you can select on force quit. Do you want force quit? You want to force Discord to quit? You can select on quit. So you have force quit that app from your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to force quit apps on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.